In our previous class, we delved into a significant topic, safety. This crucial aspect plays a vital role in preventing injuries and accidents during various activities. It revolves around implementing measures and precautions to steer clear of harm, loss, or damage. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic of the Safety Club as an agent of socialization. The Road Safety Club, a voluntary organization under the Federal Road Safety Commission in Nigeria, promotes a road safety culture. Structure and process of forming Road Safety Club in schools. 1. Obtain permission. The club is established in schools with the permission and authority of the Federal Road Safety Commission. 2. Purpose. The club's purpose is to teach road safety culture and inculcate good road behaviors in young individuals. 3. Periodic activities. The club organizes lectures, meetings, and awareness campaigns to teach road safety measures to its members. 4. Levels. Road safety clubs exist in NYSCA CDS, primary and secondary schools, and higher institutions, constituting the third tier of the Road Safety Corps. 5. Partnerships. The FRSC partners with NICE to include road safety as one of the Community Development Service, CDS, during the one-year service. 6. Necessary materials. The FRSC provides necessary materials for the road safety clubs, including uniforms with the club's inscription and logo. Roles of Road Safety Club in the socialization of youths. 1. Organize awareness campaigns. The club conducts workshops, rallies, seminars, quizzes, debates, and other programs to promote road safety. 2. Reporting incidents. Members report road crashes to the nearest FRSC office or relevant bodies for assistance. 3. Monitor road conditions. The club monitors and reports road conditions to the appropriate FRSC office. 4. Inculcate road safety culture. The club teaches youths road safety culture from relevant road safety books and journals approved by the FRSC. Roles of Federal Road Safety Commission in Nigeria. 1. Lead agency. The FRSC is the lead agency in Nigeria for road safety administration and management. 2. Vehicle number plates. It designs and produces vehicle number plates. 3. Highway traffic codes. The FRSC standardizes highway traffic codes. 4. Regulation. It regulates the use of motorcycles, seat belts, and other safety devices on highways. 5. Road education. The FRSC educates motorists and the public on the importance of road discipline. 6. Emergency response. The FRSC provides prompt attention and care to accident victims. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.